Lady Saw, lifestyle, music career, political journey, family, and net worth. Lady Saw, born Marion Hall on July 12, 1969, in Galina, St. Mary, Jamaica, is a legendary figure in dancehall music. Known as the Queen of Dancehall, she broke barriers in a male-dominated genre with her powerful voice, bold lyrics, and charismatic stage presence. Over the years, she has transitioned not only musically but also personally, stepping into gospel and even expressing interest in politics. Lady Saw began her music career in the early 1990s, performing on local sound systems. Her big break came with hits like Him Lef, Sycamore Tree, and Man Is the Least, which showcased her lyrical prowess and fearless commentary on relationships, sex, and female empowerment. Her collaboration with No Doubt on Underneath It All won a Grammy Award in 2004, further solidifying her international appeal. She released several albums, including Lovergirl, Give Me the Reason, and Strip Tease, cementing her as one of the most successful female dancehall artists in history. In 2015, after years of dominating the dancehall scene, Lady Saw shocked fans by announcing her conversion to Christianity. She was baptized and changed her name to Minister Marion Hall. Since then, she has shifted her musical focus to gospel, releasing faith-based tracks like When God Speaks and I'm Doing Better. Her transformation reflected a more humble and spiritual lifestyle, trading in the risque lyrics for uplifting messages of hope and redemption. In recent years, Minister Marion Hall has also expressed interest in Jamaican politics. In 2022, she hinted at possibly entering the political arena to serve her country and address issues facing the poor and marginalized. While she hasn't officially launched a political career, her statements have sparked conversation about her potential as a public servant. On the personal side, Lady Saw has kept her family life mostly private. She has spoken about growing up in poverty and facing hardship as a child, which fueled her determination to succeed. She has siblings and is known to have cared for relatives over the years, although she has no publicly confirmed children of her own. Her charitable efforts, including helping abused women and the underprivileged, reflect her deep sense of empathy and faith. As of 2024, Marion Hall's net worth is estimated to be around $1.5 million. Her income has come from decades of hit records, international tours, collaborations, and now gospel performances and online sermons. Despite stepping away from mainstream dancehall, she remains a respected and influential figure in Jamaican music and culture. Lady Saw's journey from the gritty streets of St. Mary to international stages, and from dancehall queen to gospel minister, reflects her resilience and reinvention. Whether through music, ministry, or possibly politics, she continues to leave a lasting impact on Jamaica and the world.